equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin the hinge repair on your Dell XPS, you will need the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a clean microfiber cloth. Make sure you have a well-lit workspace to avoid any mishaps. Start by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, remove the back cover by unscrewing the screws located at the base of the laptop. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the back cover is off, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the casing. Be careful not to damage any internal components. As you lift the cover, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the laptop with the microfiber cloth. This will help improve airflow and prevent overheating. Now, locate the hinge assembly. You will see screws securing the hinges to the laptop frame. Carefully unscrew these screws using your Phillips screwdriver. If you find any screws are stripped or difficult to remove, consider using a rubber band for extra grip. With the screws removed, gently lift the hinge away from the laptop. Inspect the hinge for any signs of damage or wear. If the hinge is broken, you may need to replace it with a new one. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help. Before installing the new hinge, clean the area where the hinge attaches to the laptop. This ensures a secure fit and prevents any future issues. Once the area is clean, align the new hinge with the screw holes and secure it in place with the screws you previously removed. Make sure the hinge moves smoothly without any obstruction. After securing the hinge, it's time to reattach the back cover. Align it carefully and press down until you hear a click, indicating it's properly seated. Then, replace the screws at the base of the laptop. Remember to check that all screws are tightened but avoid over-tightening, as this can cause damage. If you're unsure about any step or if you'd prefer to leave it to the professionals, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. Plus, with our service, there are no calls, no travel. We handle everything for you. Finally, power on your laptop and test the hinge to ensure it operates smoothly. If everything is working as it should, congratulations on completing the repair. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We are here to help you with any technical problems you may face. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.